I was pausing you because you guys are coming in like a mad rush. Good girl. There's one. Yay! Yay! It is. And you can go off leash too. And you've got more treats than that? And you've got more treats than that? Okay, good. So now you're going to have to take a step away. There you go. There you go. There's one under that tub. If you got the tub now. Perfect. Nice. Good girl. Yeah, it's okay. So with this, if you pull the leash that way, then it will untangle itself when you guys leave. Yep. And now you're going to have to step into this nook. There you go. And now she has it. Good. Let her figure it out. Good. So pause, 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 pause. She's going to turn back around. So back up just one step. She caught the other hide. There you go.
I didn't realize we had to do these in order.
Oh, you don't do them in order. She just caught it, so I wanted her to kind of figure out the puzzle.
Yes.
Good girl.
Good job.
Good girl. Nice. A full alert, too.
Yes.
If she doesn't catch it or show much interest in it, then moving on is fine. Like, she's like, I'm on to that one. But she was pretty strong onto this one, and she was going to move because like your closeness was kind of pushing her. So like that one, she kind of caught it, but I would keep going. And she caught the other one too. Good, now let's see which way she goes. There we go. Nice, good girl. So fast. And she actually caught the tree one too. So let's see which way she goes. She may go into the room or she may go towards the tree. Good. And just take a step away because she thinks you're asking for this one. Good girl. Good. Now let her go. Perfect. That pace change is what we're kind of looking for. Good. So pause there. Pause there. She's just searching. You don't have to follow her. So back up a little bit. So you create a little space. Good. Good. She knows there's another one over there. So take one step towards her. Where is it? Good. There. Now follow. Good. Nice. Now back, sidestep just a little because she may need to use the table behind you for the height. Good girl.
Good girl. Where is it? I need
So,
to treat that again.
yeah, you do.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Where is it? And then I'll just stand here. Good, nice job. Good. And then kind of step forward. Keep going. There you go. Good. Where is it?
Is it rain?
You can figure it out. You got it. Good girl. That's good. So take one more step forward. Good girl. Keep trying. That was super close. Good job. Good girl. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. You're almost there. So don't let her go any further. Good girl. Tell her she's good.
Where is it?
Good girl.
Good job, Rain.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Keep going.
Keep going, Rain. Where is it?
Yay, good girl. So I would take that. She looked up at it. And just kind of hold your hot dog there. And down to her. Good girl.
Good girl.
She's like, I don't know how to communicate it to you.
Good girl. All right. Good girl. That was very good.
Good. And we got the 2 down in the other room.
Yeah.
Good girl. I know, you caught it from out here, didn't you? Good. And try to work on that distance a little bit. Good. Ooh, light.
Yeah.
Nice. Good girl. I like that she alerted twice to that.
Good girl. All right. Okay, where else?
And this one you're going to have to walk with her. Yep, perfect. Nice. She knew. Nice. Wow, look at that. And distance again. Good girl. I take it. Take it. Good girl. Yeah, anywhere underneath it because the heater's kind of pulling the odor underneath. So it's kind of making it...
I just thought I would give it another just
Yeah.
a second to see if she could actually find exactly where it was.
Yeah, no, exactly. And when she went back to the same spot, then I would say then take it. And treat exactly like you are. It's perfect.
All right.
Good girl. Good. Nice job.